See this? Right here. The Luoxiao Mountains rolled out a VIP passage just for us. When the north wind lets out a shout, our Inuit wanderlust days kick in. Catching a thermal updraft, we glide all the way to Qiyun Mountain, the soaring highest point of Ganzhou City in Jiangxi Province, for a pit stop. Grab a buffet, recharge our batteries. After all, our next stop is the Sea of Stars. Here is a millennium bird path. I'm an egret. Humans call us water nymphs. Oh, I'm too sweet.
Nice.
Year after year, we return. And each time, this place gets better and better. The wetlands have bogged up. The rivers are so clear, you can use them as mirrors. Falling in love, getting married, the vibe is absolutely perfect. Watching the early birds just settle down and lie flat here, living their best lives. Well, this year, we held a family meeting. Unanimous vote, we are not leaving. We're getting permanent residency here too. What does true belonging mean? It means where the heart finds peace, there lies home. Oh my god, this grumpy-looking tough guy here is a barred owlet's brother. A storm a few days ago clipped his wings. Luckily, there's a top-tier rescue station up here on this mountain. Oh, speaking of which, to get a full scoop on us, 16 years ago, right here above the Sea of Clouds, they built an observation station. Tens of thousands of our elders have been fitted with global rings, bird bands, and some even got satellite trackers. Wow! Now, wherever we fly, it's basically a social media check-in. It's like a built-in lucky charm for us. When they inscribe their wishes onto those bands, we can't relax either. By hunting pests and protecting crops, we are the guardians of our ecosystem, carrying the seeds of ecological civilization in our beaks, scattering them with every beat of our wings across the world.